So we're gonna start with my favorite one, the one that I just can't get enough of. It is called Baby Magic, and to me, it smells like baby powder and Dove soap together. It just smells, there is one literally called Fresh Out of the Shower. I will say that this one definitely gives that baby powder, but this also makes me feel like I just got out of a fresh, clean shower. So this is my number one. Let me go grab my notes because I have like the strengths of like sillage, projection, and all that. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I have a lovely fresh scent, a lovely fresh scent, just like Dove and baby powder with a hint of rose. The longevity, I did 8 hours plus because I can still smell it very well by the end of my day. Projection is like mid. I could see it being boosted with high depending on where you put it and how much you put it on. The sillage is not too much. It does leave a heavenly trail. As a gourmand girl, this is and will be in my rotation to switch it up. Now I just need a perfume to match. Strawberry Mochi is next. And this one is giving strawberry, marshmallow, creamy but bright goodness. This one, the longevity is 6 hours. I put it on and it didn't smell as strong as some of the others, but it was still really good. The projection is like middle, a little bit in between low and mid. It didn't project super loud, and then the sillage wasn't too heavy either. So I can see this pairing really well with another strawberry marshmallow style oil or perfume. Okay, now this one was another one of my favorites. This one is Yacht Vibes. If my lighting, I'm like right in front of my window here, but I loved Yacht Vibes. I put it gives luxury, new money, bikini on a boat, pure summer vibes, bright and refreshing, yet the wood elevates it. So there's a beautiful lemon in here, but there's like a woody base note that makes it very elegant but fun. Like I'm thinking like frozen lemonade, and I know it's probably not the best way, but I can just taste a really ice cold lemonade like on a boat and just looking cute in the sun, and the wind is winding and it's breezy. This longevity is 8+ hours. The projection is mid, and the sillage is not a big sillage, right? But it does leave again a nice scent aura or scent bubble that I think is beautiful. Another one of my top favorites is Miami Glow, and this one is fruity, bright, fresh, a little sweet, and beach-like. The fruit is forward. There's an elegant beechwood base in this one as well that makes it divine. So none of these are too cloying or too literal. Like this is full of exotic and tropical fruits, but again, there's like this elevated version to it. It's definitely pure summer in a bottle. I actually love Baby Magic and Yacht Vibes and Miami Glow are my top of the summer scents. Okay, longevity, this one is 8+ hours. I smelled this one very strong by the end of the day. The projection is mid to high. Again, the sillage is, it leaves a nice trail because you can definitely still smell it in the room once you walk out of it. So this one had great sillage. And here is Bear. This one is a very warm, light, ambery, musky, like very light. This longevity is 8+. You can still smell it on your skin by the end of the day, but it's not intense. Projection isn't strong, sillage isn't strong. So this would be like very good for people who work where like scents are sensitive and you don't want to be loud and projecting. This would be great for that. Also, the reason why it's not in my top is because I feel like there are a lot of these already. So I think that's not why this is my top spring or summer scent, but I could see it being very useful for the vanilla girlies, the amber girlies, the simple, you know, don't need too many notes. this would be a perfect one for you. Now this last one here, Private Island. At first it wasn't my favorite because I was like, I thought I was missing something, but once I let it sit and I began to wear it, it's a very elevated beachy vanilla. Like, if I would call Yacht Vibes new money, Private Island is old money. It gives like you're wearing white linens to a beach dinner, just giving very fancy. Like I said, definitely that beachy vanilla, a little bit of coconut in there. I love this one. This one is very understated too, like Bear, but it has more of a beach feel. And this longevity was 8+ hours, not a big projection. Another great one for subtle perfume lovers. And the sillage is enough to have a nice scent bubble, but not like Miami Glow where I could smell it and like Baby Magic. This is another nice, simple, subtle one. So, Adrienne, you knocked it out of the park. Please keep Baby Magic. That's all I ask. I think I'll be okay if I don't have the others, but I definitely have to have me some, some Baby Magic in my life. So this was so fun. Thank you for giving the opportunity to be a tester, and I can't wait to see what you finally pick out.